Good morning students. Hope you all are fine. As you know, our first term examination is over and now we are going to start our second term. So today we will going to start our second term syllabus. I'm Charanjit Kaur and today we will summarize the chapter number 5, namely the magic pot. Firstly, before going to start, tell me what is magic? Well, I'll tell you. The power of apparently influencing events by using mysterious or supernatural power is known as magic. Do you like magic shows? Then, before going to start, there are 5 characters in this chapter. Firstly, Subhadatta, who was a woodcutter. Second character is 4 yakshas. In the heavenly, 4 yakshas means to say guards who guard the riches of gods. Then Subhadatta's wife, who was a simple lady, Subhadatta's children, and Subhadatta's friends only. The magic pot story is an amusing tale that provides valuable lesson towards lesson in character values. Now I am going to summarize the story. Keep listening carefully. Subhadatta was an honest and hard-working woodcutter. One day he was cutting the woods in the forest. He saw 4 yakshas. He was much afraid to see the yakshas. But when yakshas saw that he was very hard-working and has a thin body, they offered him a work. But Subhadatta was much afraid to saw them and asked him that he didn't inform his wife. Then 4 yakshas told that we will send you in your wife's dream, then you will tell that you are working with us. After that, Subhadatta worked with the yakshas. One day yakshas bathed in river. Yakshas wore silk dress and ate food which was produced by magic pot. After seeing this, Subhadatta was much surprised. Yakshas told that you can get whatever you want from this magic pot. This is a magical pot. You just enter your hand in the pot and you get whatever you want. After a month, they said that you served us very well. We want to give you something. Ask what you want. Then Subhadatta told that I want this magical pot. Yakshas ready to give it to Subhadatta, but told that if you broke it, it will vanish soon and you will never get it again. Subhadatta agreed to get it. Taking this pot, he went to his home and asked his wife, and enjoying a luxurious life, enjoying food, nice clothes, as well as a nice house and much more. After some days, he wanted to show off his luxurious life to all. He decided to invite his 100 of friends to his home and told them that how he got the magical pot from the yakshas. Subhadatta could not stop himself from boasting. He told everything about the pot. Afterward, he started dancing to take pot in his hand. Whenever he take pot in his hand and dancing, his pot fell down and it was broken. Soon it was vanished and there was nothing to show off. Whenever the pot was broken, it slipped from his hand and broken as well as vanished too. Subhadatta cried, but nothing could bring the pot back. So this was the story. And homework will uploading soon, but in the end of the story, I will told you some word meanings. First word is yakshas. As I said, in mythology, heavenly beings said to guard the riches of the gods. Second word is curse. Curse means that words that cast a spell to hurt or punish. Third word is wonderstruck. It means felt surprised. And the last word is boasting, means that showing off. Afterward, in the end of the story, on the page number 43, there are some exercise. Exercise A, which is read these sentences and answer the questions. Second one is question answer. Exercise number D, matchups, as well as exercise number E, add the prefix and punctuation too. You have to read out firstly this story with carefully and try to solve all the exercise on your notebook. Okay? Thanks and have a nice day.